morning, children. Today I am going to explain the story about the lion and the mouse. Here, first I'll read the story. The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, in a thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. A cheerful mouse came there and saw the lion. The mouse climbed onto the body of the lion and started playing. He pulled the lion's whiskers. Here, once upon a time, in a thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. The lion was sleeping under a tree. Here, a mouse has came there and saw the lion. The mouse climbed on the body of the lion and started playing. What did the mouse did? The mouse climbed on the body of the lion and started playing. He pulled the lion's whiskers. What the mouse did? It pulled the whiskers. What is meant by whiskers? The hair on the mouth is called whiskers. What the mouse did here? It pulled the lion's whiskers. Now, suddenly, the lion woke up and roared in anger. He caught the mouse. The mouse trembled in fear. It begged the lion to leave it. The lion took pity on it and let it go. The mouse thanked the lion. It promised that it would help the lion in times of need. The lion laughed at the mouse. Here, what happened? Now the lion is sleeping. The mouse is climbed and playing on the body of the lion. What happened? The lion woke up. He get up and roared in anger. Roared means the sound made by the sound. Lion and roared in anger. It's very angrily roared on the mouse. He caught the mouse. He catched the mouse. The mouse trembled in fear. What is meant by trembled here? Means shivering with fear. The mouse started shivering with fear. It begged the lion to leave it. Now the mouse is asking the lion to leave it. The lion took pity on it and let it go. What the lion did here? Normally the lion will be in very anger, but here the lion has left the mouse and let it go. The mouse thanked the lion for doing this thing. The mouse thanked the lion and went away. And before going, what it promised? The mouse promised to the lion, if you are in any need and if you have any work with me, I'll definitely help you. The lion laughed at the mouse. Why the lion laughed at the mouse? Because the lion think that you are the small mouse, what you will do for me? What help I'll get from you? So the lion laughed and left the mouse. What did the mouse did? She promised the lion and went away from there. Here, one day, a hunter trapped the lion. The poor lion roared for help. The mouse heard the cries and came there. It cut the net with its sharp teeth. The lion came out and they became good friends. What happened one day? One day a hunter trapped the lion. I've already tell you who is a hunter here. Hunter means who hunt the animals and birds is called a hunter. One day a hunter came there and he trapped the lion. Everybody look at the picture. He trapped with the net and the lion is caught in the net. The poor lion roared for help. What will the lion did? The lion started roaring and she is crying. The mouse heard the cries and came there. Suddenly the mouse came there by hearing the cries of lion. It cut the net with its sharp teeth. Normally the mouse will have a sharp teeth. What the mouse did here? It cut with the teeth all the net and it released the lion. The lion came out and they became good friends. So here the mouse helped the lion and the lion came out and both became good friends. Here, what is the moral of the story? Whoever, whatever, when they are asked for help, we have to do it. And when any wrong is done from anybody, we have to leave them and we have to help them. Now here, mouse is a small animal, but when mouse is telling that if you are in need, I will help you, what the lion has did? The lion has laughed at mouse, but the mouse is a small animal, but when the lion is in trouble, who helped the lion? Only the mouse. So here, whoever promising or whoever doing any help for us, we have to definitely do the help to them. And whenever we are in trouble, we need a help, so we have to help each other and we should not fight with anybody. This is the moral of the story. I think everybody understood the story. Thank you.